Hello everyone. Hello to all my dear students. So, this is just a quick session. Just a while back, we had a notification, and I'm sure that all of you by now you have known that there is a direction by the Supreme Court that the current existing NB pattern, which was in two shifts, the court has instructed to conduct in a single shift. Now, we are yet to receive the official notification by the National Board of Examination regarding the same, and we are all waiting for it. Now, this is just a quick 10-minute session to all dear students on just to guide you on what to do right now. First of all, let me tell you regarding this direction by the court. I'm sure that all of you will accept this as a welcome change because always a two shift exam definitely cannot be of the same difficulty level. And whatever equalizing formulas that you put forward, I think there is always an element of uncertainty, that is there in the student mind as you go to the exam. But I think the fairness of the examination is restored, and I at least hope that this time the national board, I hope that they should release the answer keys as well, so that the exam should be fair and transparent. That's what I believe. Now, if you just look at the observations by the court, a few very important observations. Number one, the court has observed that such a two shift exam can lead on to arbitrariness and again will not create a level playing field. That is what the court has clearly said. And the court has also observed that two question papers can never be of the same difficulty level. And again, once again, for all of us, this restores the faith in judiciary yet again. Now, this session, for the next 5-10 minutes, what I want to tell my dear students is what I would have done if I was in your place. Now, as we speak, it's just a few minutes that the notification has or the court has directed. But again, we'll have to wait for the national board notification as well. But let me tell you something. If I was in your place, um, I would definitely make sure that this news does not break my rhythm because I'm very sure that by now, in all the WhatsApp groups, social media handles, discussions will start. Will the exam be postponed or not? Correct or not? See, nobody knows. There is a very good chance that the exam might happen on the same day. But even if they think of postponement, it is not in our hands, right? We do not know. So, as of now, what I would request all my dear students is mute all your WhatsApp groups except for the say an official group. For example, in doc tutorials, we have got a faculty group that is a wizards group. So, you can just stay in that group just to see there is some communication by the faculty, because once we get a notification which is authentic, we'll definitely share in that group. So except for such groups, you please mute all your groups. There is no point discussing will they be able to make necessary changes and conduct the examination June 15th itself. Will that happen? Don't you think it is logistically difficult? So there is a very good chance that in all social media handles, WhatsApp groups, such discussions will take place. Please understand, let me tell you humbly, our opinion does not matter. Finally, what happens is, what is the national board thinking about this? Now, for that, you will have to patiently wait for the official notification by NB. And you need not keep on checking at the website. As I said, you be in one or two authentic groups where you have got faculties as well. As and when we receive the notification, we will let you know. Okay. Now, I don't want you to waste your precious time. Why do I say this? Is because, do you remember before INICT, when the India Pakistan tensions were going around, again there was a similar social media talk whether the INICT exam will be postponed or not. And I got many messages from students after the INICT results. Sir, that particular phase, just a couple of weeks before the exam totally derailed me. I had a plan, I had a revision strategy, but I was hearing in various social media groups that exam will be postponed. So what I thought is, yes, there is a chance, and then that affected my studies. Please, my dear students, this should not happen for you. As of now, what is the exam date? Yes, the exam is going to be on June 15th, right? Unless there is any other sort of notification, the exam is on that date. You prepare accordingly, because every day is precious. As you study, I'm sure that you have set in a timetable. Do not deviate from your timetable. There will be a tendency to know the opinion of others, even faculties. When will this happen? Will, or when will the notification by NB come, just clarifying the entire scenario? Please wait, but that should not affect your rhythm. So my dear students, make use of the time. Whatever you are studying now, just go in that pace. If you have planned some grand test, you give the grand test. Because just a while back also, a student asked me, sir, will the exam be postponed? I said, from what I know, the notification says June 15th. That student was planning to write, the mock test as well. Currently, the doc tutorials national mock test is going on. You write the mock test, because mock test will actually, any last minute changes that you want to make, or any last minute, say, weaknesses that you just want to sort out, you will just have to give one last mock test, and you can give that mock test as well. But this short session, what I want all my dear students to understand is that, this should not affect your rhythm. Okay, so your mind will be in an excited state. When I say excited, a part of you might be happy that the exam is now more fair, but a part of you will confused on, when the notification will come. Please, dear students, just focus. You've got a big exam coming up, and every minute counts. So all of you keep studying well. On behalf of entire faculty team of doc tutorials, we'll be there to support you as well. And any notification, you can just stay updated in the doc tutorials Instagram page, or maybe, we'll do a YouTube live once there is an official notification by NB as well. And yeah, as Dr. Sneha says, it all boils down to what NB responds with, but we should stick to what we have already. Absolutely right, Dr. Sneha. That's what you should be doing. What is your plan? That should be, you should actually stick on to that. Dr. Sneha Jaripati, that is exactly what I want to say. Sir, Gargi is asking, sir, will the NB postpone, as I will have to take leave from my job? See, as of now, I don't want you to think about postponement. There is an exam as per the notification. That is what, Dr. Gargi, I want you to think. Just that. Just that. Any other queries anybody is having, I'll be happy to take. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. It's a welcome change only. Feel happy that the exam is more fair right now. Okay. So that's what I want to tell all of you. So yeah, that's what I have. And once I get an official notification, we'll just meet again. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.